baking again here on the Lawson farm. So today I'm gonna be doing something that I guess you'd say a little bit different. So you know my whole deal. I'm not going to the grocery store right now. I'm trying to use up things that are in my house. So we have officially run out of Little Debbie cakes, and my husband and my kids all have a sweet tooth. I have a little bit of one, but yeah. So we are out of those. I had some cake in the cabinet. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make your box cake taste like it's from a bakery or like it's made from scratch. Either or. So here we go. Alright guys, so what I have here is just regular Betty Crocker Super Moist Triple Chocolate Cake Mix. I bought it a while back. And like I said, so we're going to make this taste like it's made from scratch and not a box cake. It's so easy. So of course, y'all know to follow the directions on the back of the box. So our first thing we're going to do is pour out the cake mix just like you normally would. I'm going to pour that in my bowl. Then the next step is we're going to add a half a cup of regular sugar to this cake mix. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and whisk our dry ingredients together. Alright. The next thing is where it's asking for 1 1/4 cup of water. So, ever how much water it asks for, that's how much milk you put in it. That gives it a creamier, more moist texture. So I've already got that measured out. So we're replacing the water on the box with milk. So 1 1/4 cup of milk. Okay. The next thing it calls for is a half a cup of vegetable oil. Instead of vegetable oil, we're going to be using melted butter. The thing with melted butter, when you use it, you actually have to double how much it's calling for. So this is calling for a half a cup of vegetable oil. That means I need 1 whole cup of melted butter. Now, I never said this was good for y'all, but it is delicious. Usually food that is delicious is usually not that healthy. So I've already melted my butter before I started the video. I'm going to go ahead and start mixing this together a little bit. Alright. So the next thing that it calls for is 3 eggs. You always want to add 1 more egg than what it calls for. So I'm going to be adding 4 eggs instead of 3. I'll be glad, y'all. Hopefully this spring and summer I'm going to have chickens laying my own eggs. I'm pretty excited about that. So those of you that know me know that I'm not a huge fan of chickens, but I'm going to have a way to get my eggs without having to get around them things. Alright, so that's 4 eggs. We're going to go ahead and mix that together. And the rest of everything else, you just follow exactly what the box says as far as the temperature wise goes and the time chart. Just follow exactly what the box says. The only thing that I've seen is it may take a little bit longer for it to get completely done. So make sure you're doing your toothpick test, sticking a toothpick down the middle, make sure it comes out clean to make sure that your cake is done. Hope everybody has a great rest of your week. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to put a little button. You're going to see it. It's going to look like a little icon of my little home page. It's going to be a little circle probably over here somewhere. And you should be able to click on that and subscribe if you've been unable to find the subscribe button. I know it can get like complicated sometimes. So I'm going to put that in here. But thanks for everybody's support. The Facebook page is doing great as well. If you don't follow me on Facebook, check out True Grit Southern Cooking and Canning. We'd love to have you. And hope everybody has a great week. See y'all next time.